everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Naina. Today we are going for a photography walk with my colleagues. I don't have a DSLR, but we will take some click in this GoPro. Yes, see you then. I started around 7:15 in the morning and now we are in the train. We need to reach Vineyard before 8:30. So all of us will gather at a common cafe. From there we're gonna start the walk. One thing I learned from this country is being punctual. They always expect us to be on time. It's like everyone valuing their time. It's a Friday, so people are busy at work, rushing to office. We have a great weather today. Like, no, it's a video.
It's a video. Oh.
You act like you're taking some photos.
Yeah.
One of the reasons I love doing these photography walks is the mindful aspect. This allows us to slow down, be present, and appreciate the beauty around us. I'm not so conscious about getting the perfect shot, but yeah, I love to enjoy the process and being in the moment. Now we are here at Barangaroo, which is an area of central Sydney, where there are lots of wonderful restaurants, cafes, waterfront walks, parks, reserve, office buildings, apartments, and so much more. This is a very active space in Sydney. Today we are all about exploring shadows, patterns and lightings. Whether it's light filtering through the buildings or the shadows from the buildings or the cool pattern on the floor, there's always something amazing to capture. It's like a visual treasure hunt and we all were going different directions. Oh, he captured an amazing mirror shot. Oh wow, look at the building. The creepers growing round and round. Finally, we started moving toward the Chinese street. After the walk, we went for work. There we played foosball, TT for some time and worked till the evening. I am back to the train station heading home. In my previous videos, I wasn't much happy with the audio quality. So I thought, okay, we're gonna get a new Rhodes mic. I went straight to JB Hi-Fi located at Westfield Parramatta, got a new Rhodes. In this video, I'm using my new Rhodes mic. Let me know how you find it. On the way, Jojo joined us, so we together went to JB Hi-Fi, bought a new mic and headed home. If you like this video, please do like, comment and subscribe for more adventures and lots of art. Thanks for watching.